Hello everyone, my name is Asta. Today I am going to do an experiment. For that experiment we need a candle, colored water, a glass and matchbox. First we need to put water in a pot and put a candle inside the pot. Then light the candle. Now we need to put the glass upside down carefully. Now see what happens.